Hello everyone, this is Prarthana from Bodhi Yoga Institute. Have you heard about the placebo effect, which has amazing power to heal your body? Placebo is a Latin word which means I shall please. If something pleases you, it automatically triggers the release of pleasure hormones in our body, which means that during an illness or pain or disease, you are likely to experience a healing response. For example, in one study, people were given a placebo effect and they were given a pill and told that it was a stimulant. After taking that pill, their pulse rate speed up completely, their blood pressure increased, their reaction speed improved. And when people were given the same pill and they were told that it was to help them to get better sleep, then they experience completely opposite effects. How is this possible? This is possible because of that placebo effect. Experts also say that there is a relationship between how strongly a person expects to have results. Okay, the stronger the feeling, the more likely it is that a person will experience the same positive effects. It applies same to negative also. Okay, if people expect to have some negative effects, some side effects such as headache or nausea or drowsiness, there is a greater chance that those people will feel the same reaction happening in their body. Now let us understand how this placebo effect works. So here there are mainly three possible explanations why and how healing takes place with placebo effect. The first one is a particular non-suppressive medicine has power, has curative power. And the second possibility is the healing power of nature is helping here. Especially, this include our own immune system's natural response to stop and eliminate the disease causing factors. While this principle of body healing itself applies to majority of all the medical cures, the body's own healing ability is behind every success in the healing profession. If the body's healing response is not present, no medical technology or expertise will have any value. And the third possibility is the placebo effect triggers the healing response. The placebo effect implies that the patient's belief in that particular drug, which may be just a sugar pill or it may be just anything, but it has the power to stop that pain or it has the power to cure that disease. A basic feeling of trust in a particular treatment or even the doctor can also act like a placebo. So the mechanics of placebo healing is centered in the belief of the patient that this particular drug or an operation or a treatment program is going to relieve his pain or that is the cure for his illness. And the other important thing here is your body is capable of manufacturing every drug that could possibly be produced in the pharmaceutical industry. And synthetically derived drugs only work because our cells of the body have that receptors. Okay, it has that receptors for that chemicals contain drug. So this also means that the body is capable of making these chemicals by its own. Otherwise, these receptors wouldn't exist in our body, right? However, the body makes them with the utmost precision, okay, and in the correct doses and on the particular time, right? Because body knows what is needed at what time. And the body's own drugs cost us nothing. They have no harmful side effects also. as well, if you compare it to pharmaceutical drugs, they are expensive and they have a lot of side effects also. It is estimated that 35 to 45% of all prescriptions have no specific effects on the disease for which they are prescribed. The majority of positive results are directly caused by the body's own healing response, or it is triggered by the placebo effect, and they have nothing to do with the treatment itself. And the medical doctors have the power to infuse the confidence in their patients to believe that for their condition, for their disease, they are getting a most suitable and best treatment. Okay, this belief on the doctor is going to help them. The belief of the doctor in his treatment and the trust of the patient in his doctor combined can produce a medicine that is capable of transforming even a useless treatment or a non-specific drug into dynamo of healing. This medicine is nothing more than a placebo effect.